Sanibonani and welcome back for another hot review of Ingane Zesithembu. Finally, sawubuka season 3, episode 1. Ngicela nje sikhulume guyzini about what we liked about the episode and what we did not like. Firstly, what I liked about this episode was the conversation between Umselegu, Umacele noSneh, because into engafuni nje mina ukuyibona kule season ilento ukuthi silokho esikhuluma ngoSneh ukuthi uSneh akezwa, uSneh lacks accountability, uSneh akakwazi ukucabanga, uSneh this, uSneh that. Thina as viewers, we need to make peace with the fact that uSneh unje guys, ngeke azashintshe ngoba ngeke sikwazi ukuthatha umuntu okhuluma in such a way yokuthi vele akafuni ukushintsha, because what do you mean ukuthi awuyiboni inkinga with asking for imali kubaba wakho and you 30 years old or almost turning 30, angazi nangako uSneh. But like umuntu okanjalo ungaboni nje ukuthi where she's wrong, she's always apologizing kodwa futhi at the same time doing the same thing over and over again. Uzoyishintsha kanjani indlela abazali bakho abakubuka ngayo if you're doing the same things? If you're partying all the time, you're drinking alcohol, you jumping from man to man, awuyinaki ingane zakho, you always running away from inkinga zakho, ukhuluma kabi ngomndeni wakho. So what exactly are you expecting your parents to think ngawe if they've not seen any change from you from lezo zinto lezo zenzayo? Kulezi zinto nje uSneh asezenzile kuningi akusamele akwenze, maybe for at least 5 years of change, of positive change, where we can say yo useshintshile uSneh. But now mina nje I am just washing my hands off uSneh. I think nje mina she is a lost cause. It's unfortunate to say that, but nje at this point I don't think anything is gonna help her, because it seems like futhi there is an alcoholic or alcohol problem there. Ngoba I know with abantu abanama addictions, they say one thing and then they do another. Noma kuthola ukuthi ngempela umuntu uyakwazi ukushintsha, but because sekunento ebuye ishintshe ibehavior yakhe or i-affect umcabango wakhe, because when they're drinking they feel good yabo, so they're always going to gravitate towards izinto ezikanjalo when inkinga ziningi. So sizokwenza njani in this situation? I feel like nje especially ubaba wakhe usegive uphile kuyena, which is why nenkulumo yakhe speaks to that. And I'm just like uSneh wakaNselegu wangithi like everything has been done traditionally, she is Mselegu now. So uthini baba wakhe mayethi masekuthiwa uSneh uyalobolwa, whoever lo guy odecide umlobola mela umlobola kaShibe, is that allowed? I don't think that's allowed, guys, unless mhlawumbe angiyazi iculture. But ke sana asikho lapho. Mina nje into engifuna ukuthi siyenze thina ke as ababukeli, thina as abantu ababalandelayo like on social media and everything, I want us to not give attention to whichever guy who claims ukuthi uyamthanda uSneh, who claims ukuthi uzomlobola and everything, because at this point we know ukuthi vele bonke badlala ngaye. Okay, siyambona uSneh ukuthi ucabanga kanjani, uyingane njani. But whatever guy that comes forward now, guys, nje mina ngizonibeka lelo kucala kunina guys as abalandeli bakhe uSneh, as abalandeli bothando nesithembu Ingane Zesithembu. We need to start holding these people accountable ngoba they are clearly using uSneh to gain fame and popularity, because they've been watching the show. Bayazi ukuthi uSneh unenkinga enjani. They know ukuthi what to use to get uSneh, to get whatever they want from uSneh. So obviously they know ukuthi uSneh mhlambe has this need for attention and love and support ngoba mhlawumbe akayitholi kubo. They can see ukuthi she's isolated from umndeni wakhe. They can see ukuthi uyadinga nje like some sort of thing azoba proud ngayo. So they come to her ngalento ukuthi okay uzomlobola, they're gonna do this, they're gonna do that, knowing very well ukuthi ngeke ayenze lento egcineni. Yena masayithola into egcineni then meseyamshiya. We need to start just ignoring abantu aba taking pictures noSneh, you know, befuna ukukhombisa ukuthi they are in a relationship noSneh, because we know ukuthi those people are scammers, ba ama love bombers. I think with me iyona thing ngathi ngamsiza ngayo nkosabo uSneh. Iyona nje into engamsiza ngayo mina ukuthi ngibe yilo sis wakhe, where I'm just like mangibona nje isithombe esho selendoda or leyo ndoda imthegile, I'll just be like commenting under that post saying, "Unamanga wena, uyinja we." Because guys, like at this point asazi ukuthi simsize kanjani yena herself, but mhlambe we can just try and just keep people out of her life esibaziyo ukuthi esibabonayo or abakhombisayo ukuthi abazile ngesihle, until sesimbona umuntu ehlala phansi nomseleku ethi Mseleku ngicela ukushada engane yakho. Now that's a man. Yayibona leyo laba nje abasicele nje, we can see nje ukuthi they are scammers. And then ke sana indaba kaTirelo, guys, sizoyithini ngoba ekhala nje on episode 1. On episode 1 nje ziyakhala. Asishongo yini ukuthi she's gonna experience the very same thing adelela uvuyo ngayo. Did we not say ngempela? And ugeli ezizwa eshaya isifuba yena ethi you can't keep a man, umthakathi, embiza ngomamkhulu womjolo. Yazi she is no different from uvuyo. She just merely took indawo kavuyo nje, only to stay nje in the same position ngoba naye usizoba number 2. Hayibo guys, hey guys, I think we need to really tell our younger sisters ngempela about this life thing ukuthi yay sana, when it comes to umjolo you can never confirm into ukuthi izenzeka ngandlela ocabanga ukuthi izokwenzeka ngayo. Mawu side chick nje uyitshela ukuthi nje wena uzongena nje umgudluze lo mase wena uba the one. Hey, indoda vele ikhombise nje igile nje igoda nje. I am so thankful for that friend. That friend kesana, that friend umtshela amaqiniso and ukhuluma iqiniso la girl uyambona nje ukuthi nje bakithi hayi ukhetha nje ukuba iclown uTirelo ayikho nje indaba yakhe. And another thing enginotisile ukuthi uMpumelelo guys, the only thing uMpumelelo ibhubesi akwazi ukuyenza is ukuhlanganisa amantombazane and creating solid friendships, because remember guys, uMpumelelo also wahlanganisa uVuyo noVicky, and now usehlanganise uTirelo and this friend of hers. I chashame hayi unetalente uMogai, because now it's like the friendships are even stronger than the relationship, and I'm just like, hey bo guys, uthi uTirelo uMpumelelo has a new girlfriend now, 19 years old, and you know she's how old? 20 something, 25 or 24 lapho nje. And I'm just like, guys, if ngempela he eventually marries that girl, that means uzoba umamkhulu emncane kunaye. The embarrassment guys, the embarrassment. Angazi phela mhlambe ke some people abayibona inkinga, mhlambe you have seen kukhona umamkhulu emzini omncane kunomamncane, I don't know, but to me, I feel like that's highly disrespectful and insulting. Ukuthi engafike athandane nawe akuzalise and then mase funa ukushada ashade nengane encane na kunawe eyitshitshi futhi. I vele uhambe mntama, vele uhambe, because you're going to end up resenting that man. You're going to end up resenting that man ngoba yonke uzobubuka enza yonke into right with this other woman onganayo ingane naye when usumzalelile. So yeah, like I really enjoyed this episode. I feel like okay, it's setting the tone for the rest of the season. It's gonna be dramatic, but into engifunayo mina ukuyibona kule season, if uMpilo noLwandle are not gonna show us anything, no Abong, if they're not gonna do much, I wanna see them fix a relationship yabo noSneh, kube yibona who are taking the initiative to include uSneh. Nabo baxolise nje for their parts in excluding uSneh kwizinto, because it could be true ukuthi nabo bambukela phansi in a way. So if they're not gonna do anything dramatic, besikhombisa impilo zabo, that's the least they could do. Even if uSneh uyala bangi drama athi nje nina kusukela nini ningifuna, like that's what we want to see. Ngoba there's no point in them being on the show if ngeke besikhombise lutho. And then I want to see uMpumelelo actually do something right ngalesithembu sakhe. There has to be some movement manje, ngeke sikhathele ngempela. Ngiyabona ama highlights la ngathi uzolobola. Hopefully it goes through. Hopefully we get to see this woman azomlobola, if it is uTirelo, ngoba ngizabanye bethi uzolobola uTirelo kuqala then alobole the other lady. Others are saying uzoqala ngalo girl lo na 19 then uTirelo. And then bese bakhona abanye bathi ulotshola uVuyo, and I'm like, hayibo, but ke whatever the situation is, I hope we see a wedding at the end of the season nje qha.